Good afternoon, Kennedy Zapata fifth graders. This is a recap on April 9th, 2020 morning Zoom meeting. Thank you for everyone that was able to attend. And for those of you that were not, it's okay. I'm sorry for the technical difficulties that we had this morning. Hopefully next time we won't have any problems. So let me just recap what we talked about this morning. I need everyone to go into UISD.net so you can access your STEM scopes. You go to UISD.net and then go to Student tab, Online Learning through Google Classroom. You're going to scroll all the way down past the blue grade levels, right here with the orange rectangles, Elementary Symbaloo Student Link. And here's our Symbaloo. So you go to STEM Scopes. I already have it open, so I'm not going to click on there, but you go to STEM Scopes and log in. And you're also going to, don't exit out of here when you're done with STEM Scopes, because you also need to come to Nucella. Here's Nucella. Don't forget to do your Nucella Pink Moon assignment. It's just 4 questions. Do that real quick. And then for those of you that still haven't done the iStation reading test, Ms. Navarro is checking everybody. Here's iStation right here. So you have STEM Scopes, you have Nucella, you have iStation, you have iExcel. Anything that you need. Study Island, we already saw that. Here's Study Island. If you haven't finished your circle and you have time, go into Study Island, do your circle. Work on some iExcel programs. iStation reading test, you must do that. Okay, just make sure that you spread out your time. Okay, so today we're going to STEM Scopes. I'm going to use Mr. Diaz class. I had given you the pre-assessment so that you were supposed to go in and read these questions and answer 5 questions. Yeah, just 5 little questions. So that should have been the first thing you did. And then picture vocabulary, all you need to do is look at it. You don't have to put any information. You don't have to type any information. Just like we do in class, you know how I show you the vocabulary so you can get familiar with the vocabulary words for that lesson. So we're talking about force right now. Force has to do with push, pull, slide, glide, friction, changing directions, okay? I asked the students in the Zoom what creates force and what gives us our force on the earth. And a couple of the kids were able to answer that. They told me it was gravity. Very good. Gravity is the center of force for everything on earth. Then we have the STEMscopedia. Here's STEMscopedia. It's just a little reading prompts, and you have a question right here. 1 or 2 complete sentences, no big deal, nothing hard. Like you don't have to write a whole bunch of information, just 1 or 2 questions and we're good. Okay, so that was STEMscopedia. I saw that some of you have already started working on it. Progress monitoring assessment, you have to go in there. It's just another mini little, just so I can see how you're doing with understanding force, okay? So you just read 5 questions and answer them. That's a progress monitoring. And here is the connection video. This is just a video that you need to look at. No one needs to do any work here. It's just so you can look at it. Okay, it's experimenting with force. Oh yeah, there was a few questions there, but mostly I wanted you to look at the video because I already gave you a lot of assignments to work on. And then we have Science Rock Forces. Okay, it's a little video. It's kind of like just go through the video. Lastly, the thing that I inputted today for you is the closing in on science. This is the last thing you're going to do for the week. And you're going to open it up. This has the drop-down menu. You read and click on the information that you're going to put in there. And then here we have sketch with an experiment testing friction. These are the ones where you would have to do your little drawings. So sketching an experiment testing friction, you can do the one that we did, the example that we had on the benchmark, which is the ramp and the little cars. So you could draw a ramp, you could draw a car, and you could just write a little write-up. Just tell me real quick, what are you testing? What are you testing with the cars and the ramp? And then we can come to text box and oh my goodness. Sorry, that was my dog. Okay, sorry about that. So you come to the text box, and here you can just write real quick what you're testing. So under the T, testing how fast the car rolls down the ramp. Rolls down the ramp. There you go. That's one simple thing. If your device does not let you sketch on this assignment, then all you need to do is just draw it on a piece of paper and send me a picture on ClassDojo or Google Classroom. Okay, don't make it hard for yourself. If you can sketch it, awesome. If you can't, just draw it on paper. Okay, so that is the last thing that I wanted you to do on STEM Scopes for this week. You have 7 things. Not everything is going to have to be typed information. Pre-assessment, yes. STEM Scopepedia, yes. Progress monitoring, yes. And closing in on science, yes. You will have to put some information. The others, they're just information for you to learn more about force. Okay, so then you go back to your UISD Symbaloo, go to Newsela. Here's Newsela. Where is my assignment? Okay, a lot of you have already started working on the pink moon. The pink moon assignment, just do the 4 questions right next to it. It's a little quiz. So you're going to read the article. Here it is, all about the beautiful pink moon. I love the pictures that you sent me. I'm going to create a collage and send it to y'all. And then you go to the quiz. Well, this is an ELA quiz. I wonder if Ms. Gonzalez sent that to you. Okay, yeah, it's just a real quick quiz. All right, and that's all you have. That's what we discussed. We discussed finishing STEM Scopes. The newest assignment is the closing in on science. Pay attention to your dates. I gave you these on Monday. This is today, Thursday, the last one. And Newsela article, go in there, read it, 4 questions, all you got to do. Okay, tomorrow, Friday, we are not going to be Zooming because of Good Friday. And on Monday, we will not be Zooming or meeting because it's Easter Monday. So I hope everybody has a wonderful Easter with your family. Stay safe at home. Okay, and if you have any questions, feel free to send me a message on ClassDojo or Google Classroom. Okay, STEM Scopes, finish it today so we can put in some grades. and then Ucella. Okay, that's all you have to do. I hope everyone is doing well. Okay, take care of yourself, stay safe, and we'll see you again at the next Zoom meeting. Thank you.